Demystifying the Beagle's energetic nature through genetics. Beagles are one of the most high-spirited dog breeds out there. They're always up for a good playtime session, and their energy levels never seem to dwindle down. But what exactly is it that makes them so energetic? Is it their diet? Their upbringing? Or is it something else entirely? Recent research has found that a big part of a beagle's natural tendencies towards high levels of energy might actually come down to their genetics. In this article, we'll delve deeper into how genetics can play a role in a dog's energy levels, specifically in beagles. Before we get started, let's discuss some basic information about genetics in canines. Just like humans, dogs have genetic codes that determine certain traits, such as eye color, coat type, and even behavior. These codes are made up of DNA, which influences how a dog's body and mind develop over time. When it comes to energy levels specifically, genetics can play a huge role. This is because the genetic codes that determine a dog's temperament and personality can also influence their activity levels. These codes can impact things like sleep patterns, the amount of time a dog spends playing, and even how much exercise they need on a daily basis to feel fulfilled and happy. So, how does all of this relate to beagles? Well, it turns out that some specific genes might be responsible for their high levels of energy. Recent studies have found that beagles tend to have a specific genetic mutation that is associated with hyperactivity. To understand this better, let's dive deeper into what this mutation means. In beagles, the gene that controls the release of dopamine, the hormone responsible for feelings of pleasure and reward, might be mutated. This means that beagles are more prone to experiencing highs and get easily excited when experiencing new things or completing tasks. This genetic mutation can also impact other areas of a beagle's behavior. For example, they might be more prone to destructive behavior when left alone for long periods of time due to their need for stimulation and attention. They might also require more exercise to release built-up energy than other breeds, which is important for preventing obesity and keeping them healthy. Of course, genetics is not the only factor that determines a dog's activity level. Upbringing, diet, and environmental factors all play a part in shaping a beagle's behavior and energy levels. However, understanding the role that genetics plays in a dog's personality and energy can help us better understand and care for them. If you're a beagle owner who is struggling to keep up with your dog's high energy levels, there are a few things you can do to help them out. First and foremost, ensure that they're getting enough exercise and playtime each day. This might mean taking them on long walks, enrolling them in dog sports or activities, or simply providing them with toys and puzzles to play with at home. You can also work on training your beagle to channel their energy into positive behaviors. For example, instead of jumping all over people when they're excited, teach them to sit or lay down when greeting someone. By doing this, they'll learn that they can still experience the pleasures of dopamine release without engaging in negative behaviors. In conclusion, understanding the role that genetics plays in a beagle's energy level can help us better understand and care for this high-spirited breed. While genetics is not the only factor that shapes a dog's behavior and personality, it does play a significant role in their natural tendencies towards hyperactivity and high energy. By providing them with plenty of exercise and training them to channel their energy into positive behaviors, we can help our beagles live happy, healthy lives.